Great scholars, let us deal with addition of decimal numbers today. Addition of decimal numbers. Decimal addition. Decimal points numbers addition. The first thing you must understand is this. If you're adding two numbers that are decimal point numbers, if the two numbers are decimal point numbers, arrangement of numbers must be in such a way that the decimal points are on the same line. The decimal points are on the same vertical line. If viewed vertically, the two decimal points should be on the same straight lines. For instance, 4.23 plus 12.21. You want to add these decimal point numbers. Solution. The first thing you do is write the first number. Write the first number. The first number you're going to write is 4.23. 4.23 is the first number. The second number you're going to write, before the second number you should write, which is this number of course, write the point of that second number to tally with the first one. This is it. Can you see that? Now they have the same position. Then I'll ask myself, what number do I have immediately before the point? Before the point. The number before the point is 2. So I'll write the 2 directly under 4 before I'll put my 1 out. Can you see that? What number do I have immediately after the point is this other 2. Write it directly under the 2 and then put your 1 under the 3. Then draw your line. Put your plus sign. Look at this space provided here. Look, there's no number here. There's no number on 1. We have number on 2, which is 4. We have number on 3, which is 2. We have number on 1, which is 3. But there's no number here. You can close that gap with a 0. So that the numbers will look all the same. Can you see that now? Now let's add. 3 plus 1 is 4. You can count your sticks. Don't be discouraged if you're still counting sticks. You are solving mathematics. What we want to see is the correct answer, not the method of your counting of sticks. Let me see the correct answers. If you still count sticks, go ahead and count your sticks. That is not the problem. Get the right answer. If you want to count 3 sticks and count 1 stick, then count all the sticks together before you add your 4. Do that. But if you're fast enough to add numbers 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 3 in me plus 1, 3 in me, 3, 4. Or 1 in me plus 3, 1 in me plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever method you want to use, the answer is 4. I know that. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Then let us go to 2. 2 plus 2 is also 4. Write your 4. Bring down your decimal point the way it is. Can you see the line? It's going that way. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. And 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, not 0. Please. 0 plus 1 or 0 plus any number is that number. So you can see how I've been able to add my decimal point number. Look at another example. 345.7 plus 1.24. 345.7 plus 1.24. Solution. Write your first number, 345.7. Put the dot of the second number carefully. Then before the dot, what do you have? 1. Put it directly on. Don't put the 1 here, please. Not that. directly under the number that is also before the dot that is up. 1. After the dot, what do you have? 2. Then you have your 4 there closed. Now look at spaces provided. Look at space. Close the space. Close the space. Close the space with zeros. Draw your line. You can now add. 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 2 is 9. Bring down your dot. Look at it. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 0 is 3. And our answer is 346.94. 346.94. Let's see. Adding decimals to all numbers. Decimal and all numbers. Like you have 12.56 plus 3. 12.56 plus 3. How do you deal with this type of problem? Solution. The first thing you must put in you is that whenever you're adding decimal point numbers and whole numbers, express the whole numbers as decimals. Express the whole numbers as decimals. If I want to express 3 as decimal, my answer will be 3.0. 3.0. That is my answer. You want to express 9 as decimal, your answer is 9.0. You want to express 4 as decimal, your answer is 4.0. Now you look at the count of decimal places that the other number has. This number is a 2 decimal place number. I mentioned to you in the previous class how to identify your decimal place numbers. There are 2 numbers here after the point. After the point, we have 2 numbers that follow, which are 5 and 6. So this number, 12.56, is a 2 decimal place number. So we have here 2 decimal places. There are 2 decimal places in this number. Now I will express 3 to also have 2 decimal places. I'm going to express 3 as a number to have 2 decimal places. So I'll be having 3.00. 3.00. If I say I should express 3 as a 5 decimal place number, if I say express 3 as a 5 decimal place number, your answer will be 3.00000. If I say express 9 as a 4 decimal place number, your answer will be 9.0000. I hope you're clear with that. Good. Now, I want to solve this now. So I'll be having, this will be 12.56 plus 3.00. Now they have the same decimal places. Now write the first number, 12.56. Put your dot. Before the point you have 3. After the point you have 0 and 0. Close there with 0. That is it. Add your numbers now. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. Put your dot down. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. Your answer is 15.56. Your answer is 15.56. Remember, decimal places. Decimal places. I said, always count the numbers you have after the point. That will help you know the number of decimal places. Example, you have 7.689. This is a 3 decimal place number. Deep is time for decimal places. So this is a 3 decimal place number because there are 3 numbers. After this point, you have 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. So it's a 3 decimal place number. Look at this. 14976.2. This is a 1 decimal place number because after the point, you have only 1 number coming up. So it's a 1 decimal place number. Do not forget that. So always check the number of decimals before you change the other whole number in that form. Look at this. You have 4.3467 plus 1. Or let me say plus 4. Plus 4. Now how do I do that? I am going to solve this problem first by expressing 4. How many decimal places do we have in the first number here? So I don't get confused. Let me add a number. 1. So I don't look as if because we have 4 years. I want to tell you we have 4 decimal places. No. Count the number of the numbers you have after the point. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have this first number is 5 decimal place number. So I'm going to express my 4 as a 5 decimal place number, which is what? 4.00000. So what I have on the board now will be 4.34671 plus 4.00005 zeros. Good. Now let us add. The first number is 4.34671. Bring your point directly under. Before the point you have your 4 also. After the point you have your 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Good. Now draw a line and put your addition. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. Our answer is 8.34671. This is how you deal with decimal addition. Decimal addition. Now you do the following yourself for me. Do the following. Do the following. Number 1. 7 plus 3.2168. 2. 13.43 plus 2.54. 3. 5.21423 plus 11.2. Good. Now write the number of decimal places. Write the decimal places. Write the decimal places like I have it here. Decimal places. Write the decimal places. Number 4, 2.3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. Write it just like I have it here. Number 5, 124.326. Write the decimal places. If you're done, forward your answers to me. You're asked to add these numbers. You're asked to write out the number of decimal places these numbers here have. Today we dealt with addition of decimal point numbers, and I've shown you how to add 2 decimal point numbers and how to add a decimal point number and a whole number. So apply the method and solve more problems. If you have them in your mathematics textbook, solve more problems and get your answers correctly. But do this one for me and forward your answers to me. Thank you.